10 lakhs में आप ब्रेकअप कर लोगे?
डिवोर्स करवाओगे, ब्रेकअप थोड़ी होएगा.
I'll break up for 100 crores, not
Okay,
less.
cool.
No, 1 lakh is nothing. You're hesitant.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Bold Rahul. It's been a while since we did a Vox Pop, so I'm back again on Carter Road today, and we're going to find out if people value love or money. We're going to be giving people the option to choose between 1 lakh rupees or dumping their partner. Let's find out what people say. What's your name?
Simlin.
Alan.
Shivank. Aditya. Owen.
Josh.
If I gave you 1 lakh rupees, would you break up? If I gave you 1 lakh rupees, would you break up?
1 lakh rupees?
Yeah.
No.
What will the amount be?
Can we get back after we break?
If you had to think of a number, what would that number be?
No,
Like-
I don't think I would.
Yeah, no,
I don't
that's
know.
I don't think. No, there's
Two green flags, dude.
You're hesitant.
no, there's
number, dude. Alice, pick a number. How much money? Like 5 crores?
no,
10 crores?
no, no, there's no number.
If I gave you 1 lakh rupees, would you break up with your partner?
No.
Okay.
If you give me what?
I give you 1 lakh rupees. This is a lot of money.
Oh,
Yeah. It's like $1,000.
oh no,
How much money would I have to give you so that you would break up with them?
$500,000.
$500,000.
Yeah.
Interesting. Are you dating someone?
Yes.
Okay. Would you break up with them for 1 lakh rupees?
Yep.
No, I'll give, but will you break up with them?
Yeah,
give.
I'll forget. I'll delete the number. I'll tell them right now. Call.
Cool. This is what I wanted to know. I didn't say I was giving you 10,000. 1 lakh rupees.
That's cheating.
Someone will give you the money, not me. But if someone gave you 1 lakh rupees, would you break up?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Fair deal.
No. Maybe. No.
Okay, that's
1 lakh is nothing.
Okay. Then how much? What? What amount of money would it take for you to break up with your partner?
I don't think any amount of money.
Any amount.
But I am a die-hard romantic. I wouldn't break up for money.
Let's go 100 million.
Oh, 100
Yeah.
million. 100 million you will also give.
No.
100 million romance is dead.
I'll Give me
cry
like-
into the money and I'll put it away.
Make me Jeff Bezos and I'll do it. Yeah. Then I'll buy love.
Okay, cool. Would you break up with them if I gave you 1 lakh rupees?
Obviously, no.
Okay. What amount would you break up with them for?
Money doesn't matter, actually.
Like no amount of money.
No.
1 crore.
No.
5 crores.
Still no.
10 crores.
Money is not the thing.
100 crores. 101 crores. $1 billion.
No.
Would you break up with your partner if you get 1 lakh rupees? It's a hypothetical question.
Do I love him? Do I love my partner?
Yes.
Okay, then I wouldn't do it.
10 crores.
No.
100 crores.
No.
101 crores.
No.
$1 billion.
I wouldn't do it for money.
$1 billion.
I just wouldn't do it.
$1 billion.
I wouldn't do it.
8,800 crores.
Who's are you?
Everyone breaks after a point. Are you guys dating? I mean, not each other. Are you guys dating in general? You're not dating. Not now. And if I gave you 1 lakh rupees, would you break up with them?
Of course. Anyways, we all are Gujaratis. So
Yes. We
So?
can, yeah.
और पैसा पहले.
Would you break up with
Of
them?
course.
बस सिर्फ एक जीरो ज्यादा लगा दो
हाँ, वो लगा दूंगा. But 10 lakhs में आप breakup कर लोगे?
आराम से
If I give you 1 lakh, would you break up?
No.
No way.
Not
How much money?
no amount of money.
There must some 10 crores.
No.
20 crores.
No.
50 crores.
No.
100 crores.
Break up and
No.
patch up together.
No.
No, so then
That's not happening.
That's
How
not
long
happening.
have you guys been dating?
9
Almost
years.
9 years.
What the? Very good. Yeah, good job. What's your name?
My name's Aditya.
We'll do 3 guys first. That sounds weird when I say it on the mic. Fine, bro.
Why not you? That's fine. Don't discriminate. Yeah.
Are you guys dating someone?
Yes.
No.
If I gave you 1 lakh, would you break up with your partner?
No chance. I'm single.
If hypothetically,
No, I wouldn't.
Sinti man is going to do it.
How much money would it take for you guys to break up with your partner?
Hey, you couldn't pay me enough.
I can pay you lot. $1 billion.
I am telling you, trust him.
You
couldn't pay me enough.
How long have you been dating for?
8 years now.
Fucking hell, dude. अगर मैं आपको 10 करोड़ दूं, तो क्या आप ब्रेकअप कर लोगे आपके पार्टनर के साथ?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
कितने पैसे में ब्रेकअप?
पैसे जरूरी नहीं है यार, अगर सच्चा प्यार है तो.
खराब जवाब दे देते यार मुझे.
अगर सच्चा प्यार है तो
एक बिलियन
1 बिलियन
मिलियन भी कर लूंगा यार अरे आया
मिलियन है भाई
मिलियन
1 billion में भी नहीं करोगे
ना ना
So that's a wrap. We were very surprised. I think when we started doing this challenge, we thought that people maybe not 1 lakh, but people will say that they would break up with their partner at least like 1 crore, 5 crores, 10 crores. But turns out people really love each other, which is a good sign in these dark, dark times. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Be Bold Rahul. And I'll see you in the next one.